Hey guys, it's King Tim 420 here again. I just wanted to do a short little video here about the soil activated treasure again. A little bit of an update and just to talk about how I'm using it since I've gotten some questions about it. Maybe this is probably the best way of answering them. What I use is 1/16 of a tablespoon, right? Sorry, that's the wrong one. 1/16. Sorry, this is the wrong. I use two of these basically is what it is per gallon, which is 3.75 liters. So if you're doing it in liters, every 3.75 liters, you would want to use, two. I'm kind of messing it up here. What am I thinking? Sorry. I use No, it's not. It's my other spoons. I don't know where they are. They're missing right now. I think I'm missing one of my spoons. But yeah, I use the one that's smaller. One smaller than this. That'd be the 1/16. This is the 1/8. So yeah, I use 1/16 per 3.75 liters, which is 1 gallon, right? So in 10 gallons, I'd be using what would be the equivalent to that would be I think per gallon I'm using about a half a tablespoon. I think it is. I'd have to check my regiment, but honestly, you guys, you can't really overdose on this anyhow, right? If you're doing 1/16 per 3.75 gallons, you could probably go up double that even if you wanted. It's not something that's going to kill your plants or really over fertilize them. It does have potassium in it, so if you do use too much, you might get a little bit of burning, but it's going to take quite a bit, you guys. It doesn't have like a ton of potassium in it or anything. It's mainly to feed your microbial life, right? So there's sugars and all that in here, and I believe there's a little bit of worm casting, and I know there's a ton of molasses, right? So yeah, I don't really think you can overdose your plants on this stuff, you guys. Next run, I'm gonna actually try doubling the amount that I'm using just to see. I've also heard that you can use it, I guess because of the potassium in it, you can use it as a PK boost during bud. That's not really what I'm using it for. I use it every second feeding in bud, but if it will work as a PK boost, then okay, cool, right on. If it does that as well. I also still do use the Beastie Blooms for my PK boost, but yeah, I don't know. I'd go with 1/16 per 3.75 liters, which is 1 gallon. And then if your plants are taking that, no problem, maybe up it, just see what you can up it by like maybe double each time, see how far you can take it, right? But that's about all I can say. The stuff's been working great for me, you guys. My soil is just darker than dark, even after I've flushed it all out and whatnot. So it does a really good job refurbishing the soil. Another thing you can do too is while your soil's cooking, if you want to water a little bit of this into it just to get the molasses and stuff in there, would be a good idea. Mind you, I drop a little bit of molasses into my soil when I'm cooking it anyhow. So, but yeah, you guys, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. Throw some comments in. If you're using soil activated treasure, please let me know how it's going for you, and tell me how you're using it too, right? How many times you're using it during veg, how many times during bud. I only use it about once a month during veg, maybe twice. But in bud, it's every second feeding. So, I don't, yeah, it's every second feeding, right? Whether or not, like, every feeding I give it Beastie Blooms, so every second feeding will get Beastie Blooms in this, and it's still, with the amount of potassium that this is giving, it's not burning my plants with the Beastie Blooms. So anyhow, you guys, you stay safe during the war and whatnot, and peace.